You subscribe yet?
Call you. Game.
What you talking about?
Be, Chuck, I don't even know if I can call it right now, you know. Because me get sick and tired of this. I not hide and talk, I get sick and tired of it. I'm tired of it, man.
Listen, hold on. Me down for my face now. See? Why? Because I spend half my money on you. You and me spending money on yummy food them. See? So listen me I say to you. Because I don't have nothing right now. I get a big work, babe. I'm supposed to get a big job. Oh, you don't believe me I get a big job?
When you get that big job then?
I'm supposed to get it like, because...
You don't even know when you forget the job.
Yeah, because that's a construction worker.
Construction work alone there? You can't go to supermarket go put
I'm
trolley.
not putting no
You
bag.
can't, oh.
Me no depend on Rasta depend on merchandise business.
Okay, sit down.
Because then you give me
not
pork.
go work. Me tell if I know it not go work. Me tell that it not go work.
What do you mean it not go work? So we work perfect and everything nice.
It not work perfect. You not help me with the house. So that if I say get up and wash up, you do dirty plate and nothing what I tell you that do. You not help me buy
Yeah,
food.
man, me can't. Me not supposed to wash up plate.
You not do nothing you know.
What do you mean? So want to know?
Every day you see you.
Yeah, because I wait for the cars to come in for them tell me say boy contract ready.
Yeah, get it?
It soon come in.
For last month, me you say soon come and know we can't.
Yeah, because I saw you going people are getting them 1 and 2 together.
You don't know about that. See, the other day when my friend want work and he get it, he go do interview today and then come not 3 day time. What happened to you? What happened to you, so?
So you mean if you tell me say, you doubt me? And you doubt the possibility of what can happen? Listen me I say, yes when we get through the work here, we life set you know. And that me I talk about. We're gonna make a move out of that place here. I'm gonna buy everything nice. You know that me promise you already.
How long do you have to promise me that?
3 months now, so what?
3 months. Look with me.
We are go through, we are live. What do you mean life?
We have life, yes, but if we don't have food for them, water bill have to pay, light bill have to pay, everything me have to borrow money, me have a little bit of money when me have them pockets to say yes, my friend them a go for one beach or something. Me can't go. Me have to think about to buy food for me and your yam. And that you not understand.
So how this come up now as a problem? I was somebody you go chat to?
No, me not talk to nobody, but me a come in look while and it just pop up in the mail because me have come and me see you on the phone. See ya.
Yeah, because I relax my mind, I wait.
You make money for the phone? By playing game, you make money.
You know what I'm going to do?
If I not even go there for try, say, alright, me I go pick up 2 buckler and pull 2 crates and go sell it and carry it.
Me?
Go buy 2.
What kind of money you take Rasta for idiot?
That's hard work in your
No, not for work.
If you just sit down so and I wait for somebody to get work in go come.
Me no sit down. Me say
Look what me they work.
Listen.
Don't Chinese. Why you can't make me put in one little good work for you and you come then I Chinese come push Charlie.
every day you come at your yard, you cuss how Chinese, you take your fool.
At least we still get money and to help out with all.
Yeah, but me I tell you some my thing, me just wait for the proper contract. The contract I start out, you know.
Me not see that
So,
the contract there.
you can't see it because you don't see it yet. You know, believe, yo, you see, alright, you know what me gonna do? Me know
This not go work. That's how me have to say. I don't talk. It not go work. So you have to go.
See, I give up on me then.
And I like say me I give up on you or me want to give up on you.
You fine man?
Which man?
A man,
And that we don't need.
a man a fine for me.
And that we don't need now.
A man a fine for me.
Nobody with the foolish.
Bombard, man a fine man for me to be. I'm a day in yard. So,
Alright, you're
we don't
there
do things.
24/7. What I mean I work 24/7. What time me have for man?
Don't got Chinese.
What's man there Chinese?
Right now, Mr. Ling Cheng Cheng, my Cheng 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 you.
Sure.
Eh?
I'm foolish talk right now. No.
I mean, I talk
Foolish
foolishness.
talk. So,
Because
me don't talk. You go, right? So nobody make me have to drag you or push you out. So just please, just go of your own free will.
you go sorry, you know.
Me not go sorry.
You go sorry, it's everything
Listen
good.
to me no want to do this. But me tired of it. Me need look to help. You see, if I did try to help me out, it would have better. But you not help me. Me have to get up, me have to make sure me tidy the post before me go work.
Me tell you,
Me come
you
back
talk-
and
you talk-
pull up.
stop a fool.
What you doing
Me tell
now?
you, look
Please,
on the bed,
me
that
man
place
and
nice. Eh? How would do it? What do you think I would do it?
Who
Where you
look
come
at the
from?
bed?
No longer Chinese. And where you come from so early? Maybe you never plan for sleeping. You know what? Me I left your place. Remember say I
Fine.
eat this here? We done, right?
Yeah, we done.
Alright, we done. Everything good.
Yes. No left nothing where I have to come back, please. Everything just.
You see you? You go sorry.
You know me no want.
I'm by that pillow here.
Excuse me.
And me pay for the pillow you put pan this bed here.
No, take everything you put.
Now this no is everything.
Okay, because
Keep
only
everything.
one pillow you buy.
Keep
Look
it.
for me, you talk, you only buy one pillow alone.
Keep a sheet. Me go drive a sheet off.
You not try you go on with it. And I like me can buy back. I don't like a one sheet there. Hey, that is man. What you do on my yard? Me not tell you to see me and avoid me. What you come on my yard for?
What mean by me there, y'all?
You don't notice that me left out of mommy place. Make you all on done the comfortable. When me did done there, and when mommy I do this and daddy I do this and uncle and everybody I do this, you sit on one side and you laugh. You know once back me. You don't do nothing. You sit down and grin your teeth. And now me left out of mommy place and in a one little one room and I live my life and comfortable. You come over here for bother me.
You don't talk now?
So come for bother me. I pay so come for pest me.
You
now.
don't chat now? Cause
Where you come here
that
for?
is always with you now. Yap, 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 yap.
I be a yap, but I sit and make sense. Because I don't see where you come and me at. For me, I have no friend. I tell her I don't want no friend for no.
We are no friend and we can't be friend. We are sister. So how we fi be friend?
Me and you is no sister. If me and your sister, you see all the things that my uncle used to do with me when I was smaller, you would have back me. You would have when me I tell mommy and mommy no believe me, you would have, as a little one, because you know mommy believe in everything. You was a little one who know about it, couldn't tell mommy and make mommy would have believe you. Bad things would happen to me in life. And when me run out of house and build my little one room now, you come and perplex me.
I just that with it, just love yap, yap, yap. I come fi make a band with me, your sister and sister band.
Listen.
And you don't want that.
Listen me. You see, only band me know, a last kick band. Only band me want make I band for me and so last kick band. Me no want no other band. So you see anybody want you go to road, go get a car tire and ban yourself on the car tire.
That sting you while ago when I talk about only band you want a last kick band. That sting you.
I don't me no business.
Anyways, how you not come and work today?
Me have things that do. Why problem?
You not come and work today, have things I do. Mr. Leng Leng Long, say, how you not come and him a go fire you?
Him can't fire me because me don't call in this morning and take one day sick leave because me no feel good. I'm one cream here, come here for look nice so back at work. Come out of my place. Come out before me take up your broom and lick you in your head. Come out!
I gotta make Mr. Leng wa fire you. Boy, girl.
Fire who? You know how long me I work there so they can't fire me bun down on this,
Boy.
you know me? Perfect my soul.
No, probably. Me think about the answer now. I don't understand.
My friend, I wait on the pasado.
Give me a minute here, I'm soon call her. Alright. What your problem?
And she attack too.
How you want?
Say how do you with my friend?
I'm not doing it now, yeah.
Well, anyways, I have a bigger story than that right now.
How do you?
So I know say, go down to my sister yard to check him. Girl, I rush me out time place and sitting. And I bring up whole story from way back. And I have to say, so make her deal with me so and thing.
So why should I do that?
Aye. You must have vengeance in her heart for me, but me there I try look one sister band with her and it come like say, you now work my friend.
Don't push it. If I push it too hard, not work for true. Yeah, hello. But anyways,
So how about it differently?
you know someone want work. I want Chinese store.
So a long time I want work. And you know say me I work down at Mr. Leng wa. Right now Mr. Leng want whole heap of workers. Yeah.
I can't put in a word for me and let me know what I'm
Yeah man, I go put you in a work right now. Me I best thing about there. After my sister. Fire more Mr. Leng wa fire him.
Then you can tell like Panama or something. Drop something in her bag. Set him up.
You know, so you not go so far though with me and my sister though. I not drop down my sister bag. It's just you and my sister business.
You're right, you see? That's why don't come back on time and boy and your sister, you know. If
anyways,
I ever
my
do
friend.
it again, I kick half your face.
Anyways, my friend, me love how you look round up, do and you look good like good
yeah,
life.
Agree with me.
So every time me a call, you have to depend on one call. Me have to call waiting and ping.
When I did a call me, I not get no missed call.
Just a while ago, that's why you see me
so
walk
then just
out.
come in. But did on my phone and talk to Tia. What problem thinking? As I hear about Tia, look at your skin up your face.
Oh, me not say nothing. Never say me auntie. Me just set my face so. But it's alright, everything good, man.
Me not like how you and Tia roll. Well, we are friends. And you always have to pick me with Tia. So why problem?
Yo, let me tell you something. You see when I left me pitney with Tia, I pay him.
You pay Tia?
I mean, I pay Tia when I see me left me pitney with her.
How much money?
I want 2 bills, 3 bills.
Pinky, you talk like I want 5,000 or $1,000 you give girl. 2 bills?
No,
3
5,000
bills?
is such a little time. 20 minutes, 30 minutes. In 2 bills and 3 bills, good for you, man.
I feel joke you make. A joke you make though.
Well, I joking on my thing. Me say 2 bills or 3 bills. 20 minutes don't work nothing. If you give me 5,000 for 20 minutes, 2 bills and 3 bills to look for and shove. Anyways, I realize that your Tia get close. You think me no hear sound go at Popeyes? Somebody tell me so then see Tone Walker going to Popeyes and come out a
So what's wrong with that?
What
If
me
you're
wrong with
hungry,
that?
we not buy something to eat.
So how you not call me?
Pinky.
I know what.
Everything you feel, we will we are friends and everything, but sometimes
You know what? It's alright.
me not like
Me go stop running down. Me not third wheel. Me go stop for running down. It's alright. Everything good, man.
Pinky, stop.
Listen, not everything good, man. Me go stop running down. Cause you see me now, me no take the third wheel. It's alright.
Pinky, nobody not take off the third wheel. You have your child. You have your child there. Both in the business. When you really hungry. So we go down there so we get something to eat. So what's wrong with that, Pinky? That's not for this moment.
It's alright, man. My sister, my last option. Yeah, man.
Father God.
But you know what?
You
know what?
Can't manage them.
Everything good, man. I got me out now.
Coffee never check tea na yun. Check my phone box.
Push the door open.
Paragon.
But there I know.
Why? I saw my foot good, make it to party right time, man.
You don't even know what me I cook, no?
What do you need to do here? Come and me talk to him.
Me I come.
Talk to you about.
Me I know.
Why? I have some problem with my family. You remember my sister? The old one. A girl not talk come on me yard. I want me tell her say me no want in a nothing with her. She a come talk but she want make sister bad. Me have to run him out of my house and tell him say if you get one bad and put pan in hand or something. She come on me yard about how she want try mend things and she never want try mend things years ago when time my family and they out to kill me. And when me left out of the house and they that family look house now she a come bother me.
But anyways, me see a man other day walk with pillar on the road. I want me to in between you and him.
Me put him out.
I lie.
Yeah, he not help me do nothing in our yard. He not go look work do. Every day he sit on pan phone and play a game, I play PUBG, Free Fire, Call of Duty, everything. He play every game on the phone, but he not go to the road. He not even try say alright, he not get no work. Try get one friend and get two clients and do something. No, he not do every day on the phone.
Sooner or later, I you and him again.
No. Make me tired of him. Me tell him if he go on and he take back the pillar. That's what come and see me the pillar. He buy one pillar and take it back. Look how much he take me up off a sheet when buy it up. If me sit down on him, pull it off a bed, strip the bed naked and gone.
No, them the kind of man that you want.
Girl, he ain't stay so stop going like you know he ain't stay so too.
As some man tan.
He ain't stay
They
so.
nice at first. And then further down in our relationship, them a dog.
Well,
As some man tan.
ever hear about blind by love? And that did happen to me. Me never realized it.
Good for you. You're good luck that.
But he still not stay so just the fact that he now try to find something to do. Or even if me gonna work, he now make up a bed, he now wash up two look dirty plate, me have to come back from work and wash them and make
Well,
post. That's just that. So me just tell him say done. And that's it. And me I talk to you about my sister and you left for and gone for a man. Me I talk about man.
girl, you see me now, me and your friend long time, right? Me not two business between you and your family. That is not my concern. Me no business about that.
You don't want to keep back and get in your head side right now.
So you talk to me about your sister, right?
And you gone
And
for a man.
what you expect me if you say no?
Tell me if you not make him come over there. Or text me
Me not
and
have
lick him
no
down.
business right there, so if you tell what you do between you and your sister. I don't have any business right here.
Come on, bro, give me a little food there. Do that if you do.
You
Let's have a chat.
gonna look for me pot. Well, alright, you know.
I don't want to go look for more and take food to the buy the book or the cook and need it.
Yo, my general.
Danfo, are you that?
Jesus Father. Oh God, man.
Come here, yo, come.
Jesus Christ, my Father, man.
Yo.
Father. Jesus.
I want to follow you, sir.
Fresh.
For real. Alright. So we're going different because you're back in a place. What?
Alright, may I tell you true, my father. As me say, me fresh. Me there back in a place. Because me circle community and me say community is not the same. So right now, a matter of fact, your foundation from a long time, you want loyal youth. So right now, me there try rise up some project where me can give the youth them in a community.
It's a project?
Project, my friend. Man.
Yeah, man. That me depend, you know.
Hold on there. A matter of fact, you know say me I look for a real youth. My right hand, but what me mean, my right hand, Me no mean like no youth for use. Me mean a youth that me can trust.
I make a food.
Yeah, bro.
Alright. I made
So
the
you
man,
can
man.
make a food, you know.
So I made the man.
Oh God, my friend, man, he come like a right drive, my friend, man.
I tell you, man.
You know, say, from me come back from foreign, like, it's like the best thing that never happened to me.
Same.
Me finally book a brethren, a loyal brethren, where me can relate to my friend. You see the right hand where you go play.
Yeah.
Are you in charge? Everything are you in charge.
Come like a God send you, brother.
Oh, more than God send my father.
Jesus.
A blessing. A matter of fact, you see when me say you in charge, me no mean me. Are you in charge?
See.
So a matter of fact, you can get all some youth who want to work to you know. Any youth who you know want to work. A matter of fact, me can get all the van for you go do your thing and get some youth. No youth then I come into want to work.
Yeah, man. Alright, you are. My brother. I can link my brother first and organize me can forward because he might do some things I don't really appreciate. Even though things rough and people are hustle. But me really want him to can, you know, settle down and this I know is a perfect thing and yo, to be honest with you, you know, enough things are going on because
Jaja youth.
you remember me Phatty? Remember Phatty?
Hold on there, man. Maybe you Phatty still.
Well, no, not alone, sir. Different. I want different day me reason about that. But right now, up the me I go right now, because you know.
Wait, up on your brother or up a Phatty?
Up a Phatty.
Up a Phatty?
Yeah, up a Phatty.
Alright, watch out my friend, man. As me say, me fresh in a place. So as me say, the van a fear. Just take it and do what you want to. Line up the youth them and go just sort out what you sort out.
Alright. Respect. Yeah.
Link me tomorrow. Cause me have a folder where I want to drop off.
See.
Where one for you and one for the person where you go work with.
Alright.
Where you can understand everything.
Everything.
You get what me I say?
Respect. Yeah.
Big up again, you know.
Dan Paul, respect you
Oh
know.
God, my friend, man.
Tomorrow, you know. See?
Just cool, man.
Alright.
Hold the pillar good.
Yeah, alright.
Big up my friend.
I mean, if you have money, you know. Come out of what? Eh? Me now come out of this. How far we are come from, we are built. See, man.
Hello. What you do ya? What me tell her say?
What mean so me I did? Yes, I live.
Me not tell her say me no want you back here, so you come and sleep in my bed.
I feel we bed. So we done?
We not left out before we bed anymore. Me not understand you know. Me tell you, me tell you one thing.
Me understand why you always give me way. Me go
Give away to who?
and the first me I come
Oh,
out.
so you go find a woman already? I suck with you the well one left.
No, I'm not find a woman. Who tells me find a woman?
So you say me a give away. We cannot talk them there. You dey have woman. That's why you take up the pillar as soon as me talk and run out of here.
Yeah, the dog in my back there because of rubbish you chat. Eh? You're the dog in my back as you start to have a woman. Let me tell you this, man.
Get up.
Look, let me tell you something. I get the contract. Let me tell you something. I get the contract.
You get contract?
Look and read.
See it. Me always believe in it. I am. Woo, I am so proud of you.
Tell you come like you think a joke.
Babes, me believe in it. I just put you out. You see it? If me never do it, you would get it. You would get up and go okay because you want to come back here. You see it? I push you.
So you put me out, push me.
Yeah. So you go look the work because I know you will come back. Come on, man. Me know you love me, no, so you know. Wow.
You sure some money have you?
Which man?
So all TV left on. You don't
Because-
normally watch TV.
No, my sister come over here, so me just there play two gospel in the evening. Cause my sister they come to me store and me didn't want to do nothing bad. She understand? And then me left go over my friend here because she called me for some food.
I'm here telling about the food she start. Me don't know why you feel like say me not have no conscious stability in getting money and making money. My thing is
Listen
not
to me.
constant, but when it come. I'm don't tell her it's to me, man.
Me believe in you, you know. But you didn't want look upliftment, you didn't want look
No, me don't want
push.
to push out.
If me not push you out, you would get the work. You would have sit there in there every day and play a game and you know I true. So I'm glad that you got there, go get you and come back. You know, I didn't miss you too, you know. Jesus
You miss me too?
Christ. Let's say I miss you, you see?
You sure you miss me? You miss me?
Yeah, I miss you.
So you go to for food tonight? You cook?
Yeah, where you want to eat? Anything you want to eat? Anything at all? Where you want to eat?
Listen, I go to your workplace and anything about you.
Me could go work today for morning. Me get up, me feel one pain right or so.
You feel I'm pain?
Yeah, right on there saying on my chest.
So
So
you take for pain?
me take 2 pills and call in and tell him say me feel sick, so me not come in this morning.
So how long one say hear from you from like hear no message?
Me call over there and I look at old woman answer. She can't even monitor phone. Me tell them to put me around there and pay me more, but they not here.
I will take time with the book and I don't know how much you pay because
Me not mash up in me just there.
I'm gonna say you can't read 100% already. So nobody have the phone.
So when I start to work?
This work here, cause tomorrow I'm supposed to go link up my brother now. Cause I want him to be a part of the whole thing. You know what I mean?
Oh,
So
alright
my
then.
brother go deal with that thing for me and so forth. Me I get all promotion already. Yes, promotion.
Jesus Christ.
Mm-hmm.
So you go on.
Yeah man. So
Me happy for you, alright. Go and go sleep. Where you go and go sleep? Me I go
No,
look
more
for food for you.
no, come one night me not stay here. Come round, go and be and come back.
So you're not hungry?
I'm hungry again, my brother.
Alright, me go be there and come back.
You
You
sure
should
enough?
come. Yeah, me I come back, man. Know yourself.
Alright.
I'm glad that you get to look at what.
Girl, me I'll get to work. I worry of myself. I'm dope to me.
Girl, I know some have doubts in you, know, but me just feel nervous. You never feel nervous when I first I go look a job.
So what you say to me?
Thank you, Pinky.
Oh, that's what friends are for. Okay. So you know, sister, I do this for you. Tia can do this for you.
Come on, Pinky.
Tia can do this for
Not
you.
with Tia situation again.
Anyways, you know, sister, Mr. Leng Leng want like you. Mr. Leng Leng want peace.
Piece of what?
I don't know it.
Piece of apple?
Lord Jesus Christ. You don't care nothing today.
My sister was not. She don't like me.
Oh, so come and work for chat me. What I do?
Girl, go on where you go
Look
now.
here, let me tell you something. Me see you bring friend now, Miss Let in a Leng War supermarket. Just know so you see anybody ask a question about me, you don't know me. Me don't exist, me and nothing. And me don't talk. And by the way, how you get me bag?
You forgot to me and your exchange.
Know yourself. It's so know yourself.
Go on where you go, girl. Come on. Girl, go!
Bob,
What me there, man?
what you say to me?
All gone.
Yeah, damn, everything good?
Yeah, man.
Yo, I want a reason with it, you know. Proper reason, you know. You understand me? I say, Bob, me I talk to you, you know.
Yeah, this chat, man. You see I go on now.
Alright, you see that book here? Yo,
Hmm?
me I talk to you, man. Bob, just listen, man.
Oh, where I say, I true. Them people there. Where I say go on?
Alright, you
How them
see,
go?
want me to do one work. But basically, me know you stay, you know. You like to start and finish. You understand me? I say, what we have to go do it. Come,
Listen now what we have to go do. You don't know me no work, me no do the work thing already.
yeah, but you have to do it, bro. It's about time. You see, quick money we are trying to run down and the bing, 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 what go on. The money
Yeah.
not stay, brother.
Like people don't take more money, you know.
They might take about money, but they will come back for it, you know. I want if you know that.
But me spend it then can't get it back.
Yeah, but you
Anyways.
go in a problem. My brother, just ease the man. Alright, you want me? I really want you to do. I want you to join me because this is a contract I may get. I said what can make we a millionaire. A both of we millionaire.
So that me I try to do. I distract me.
But yo, she's like, you know, get to me, I said to you. Bob, it's about time you start focus on genuine and quality instead of quick and quantity. You understand me? I say, in quantity thing now work out. You understand me? I say, so here what you do. You still can read, not true?
Then no must.
You sure you can read?
I'm
I'm gonna lift this with this. This is for your copy. See, I'm going to study what I go on because this have to show you the outline and everything. Are you alone me trust, Bob? Alright? So next, so I come check it back tomorrow. You have everything tonight. The whole contract.
Why? I don't think I read this tonight, you know.
Not tonight if I read it. Just take your time. But more if you understand what we're going to deal with, where we are going, and all them something. This is your copy. Me have my copy and I be client. Original copy. You understand me I say? So, you feel so we can deal with it, Bob? We can't trust you this time.
But nah, I promise you, you know.
Eh?
Nah, I promise you, but...
You have to promise because I a serious business.
Alright.
Promise me, no, Bob?
Promise you, man. I promise you.
Why not easy? Hold on. Want to give him some, a second time I give him some money apart.
That girl, eh?
Yeah, man.
Daddy, brother, listen to me. You see them the kind of girl, eh?
Mm.
Money, if you have money to spend on them. She going to want her ears, nails. She going to want them because sex is something difficult for her.
When you feel some, hold on.
You don't feel something.
Check.
You know so.
Hello, miss.
Yeah, so me never want it.
Excuse me, ma'am. Good evening. It's the second time I see her around here, you know. And I was, like, first time I see her, I want to stop in and talk to you, but see her move so fast. And then I see her with one kind of one stoutish girl. I walk, go up, like, I go up in a hill.
Oh, I'm my best friend.
Best friend, that?
Yeah, me have two best friends.
And then the next time I see you, yeah, they want a slim girl. So me, I'm just making notes. I was paying attention. You know what I mean? Me not stalk you, me not be like stalk a person like that.
I understand. Well,
Yeah.
I'm my two best friends then.
Oh, your two best friends then?
Yeah.
Nice, it's good to have friends in these times. What I really want to do is I would like to get to know you for you. Is it possible? Like real possible? Or
That's the thing about it.
you think about it?
Yes.
Well, you know what? I appreciate that because you could answer no. You understand? So
Yes.
I appreciate that. But if me beg a number, you feel like possible or I feel like I'm gonna start. What you feel?
Me give me number. When I text me, if me feel like text you back,
You
me
text.
But if not,
Alright.
I'm not gonna text you.
Alright. I'll take that. You work with that. As me say you couldn't tell me no, you couldn't say go on with me I go.
And
You don't
here
feel
you go.
say nice.
Oh, and my name is Marika.
Oh my god, my name is Public. You know what I mean?
Nice to meet you, Public.
Nice to meet you too. I hope to see you again because hey, it's not these times I can be honest with you. I'm looking for something genuine. Me just start, my brother just gone, even if it's my brother and think me have some contract and something to deal with and I look somebody to kind of enjoy that way. You know what I mean? Because in life something you just want stability. And if you understand me, I say,
Yeah, that's really
I'm not pressure no longer. Have a wonderful day.
Thank
Alright?
you.
I will text you. Hopefully we can hear from you. Alright?
No problem. Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
Public.
Alright, Marika.
so happy, man. I'm not thinking about it.
But over your peaceful though.
I'm quiet. A nice place to come and relax your mind.
And we need it too. We need a little peace of mind. Trust me. Just me and you alone.
Yeah, alone.
Why? I want me not saying no answers.
You come like something going on.
It was so good. I'm thirsty. So you say I go on now.
Boy, to tell you the truth, time rough, you know?
About that time. Time of the truth. No, tell him. But big and serious. I'm glad to say we just feel alright. All up here feel too.
Well, a person feel good, you know, and you feel relaxing, not in a lie.
And then you want pink in there. Say hello for me, sir.
What do you mean by? You know, oh, you miss Pinky?
No?
You know Miss Pinky?
Me sorry for what?
Oh,
She not there with her baby to interrupt nothing. You understand? We can't talk about anything now. No baby to interrupt. You get
how
to me
baby that
say?
interrupt me?
You not understand what me talk about? What baby do to interrupt people?
Like you would run up and down and Pinky would run Ghana.
And we fear run behind her and the baby.
Anyway,
Mm.
me not no problem with that still and still, but to tell you the truth, more than one pick me.
Enough time I think about it too.
So like, I'm ready to do one mother. I just want to find one nice man to settle down with. You know one nice man to settle down with too?
Everybody would have want, every woman would have want one nice
Me
man
a
to
talk
settle
about
down
you, me
with.
not talk about every woman. Are you me a talk
So you
about?
ask one stupid question. I don't understand.
Some woman no want no man. That me I tell you.
Every righted woman will have their head on their body would have want one nice man to settle down with and have kids.
Right. But anyway, Miss Pinky still. You should have the person with you and relax.
I'm not sorry.
You not like Pinky?
I never tell her something like her. I say I don't miss her. How you learn that
You
story?
talk about the girl. Why you always talk bad about Pinky though?
Girl, I don't talk bad about Pinky. But the girl too ups. She too ups. You
What you
understand?
mean by?
You not understand when somebody ups. She is very ups. And listen, me with there, son. Remember, me not have a child, right?
You
And
know.
every week she a go, Tia America, you can't keep your baby for me. She a go shop. You know just carry the picnic go on with you?
Me not see nothing wrong with that. What if you pregnant tomorrow morning and have baby, right? You know want me and Pinky for the run where you can call upon anytime to keep your baby.
Me go ask you if you keep my baby, but not every time, sir. Every time, sir.
Not every time. You have a baby now?
Actually, may escape her. Make we not have the baby. So what are you implying? What you say?
Me not no problem with the girl and her baby. That me I try to say.
You don't have a problem because you're blind.
Blind to what? Yeah?
Blind for sister she ups. Me can't have a peace of mind without Pinky interrupting.
So we not have a peace of mind now. Huh?
Yeah, but we just have a conversation. We can't have a conversation.
Of course we can. You know friend.
Me say a buck ups make me hear the yesterday by myself right now. Buck ups.
Alright, yeah. Can we talk about something more? Girl, me say me forget to tell us say. One day me a pass out I place a man dem do construction work. And me see one man over there. Okay. I just saw you there. Pinky. What's the problem here? You wanna be a friend, you know? Stop the time to make a girl come over here and come feel your bad energy.
Okay. So I saw no do it. I saw no do it.
Do
I saw no plan to live.
oh.
I mean by oh.
We not no picnic so we stress free. How you know so over yourself?
I mean by me know so no when if you know that. Look how me a call you know.
Girl, this morning we wake up early and do what we have to do. Me I'll do that call your phone. You know see me call them for your phone.
No, me
Why you
not.
wake up so late?
My eye not see not one miss call.
Why you wake up so late? You shall do
Because
that
the
all night
baby
last night.
girl, the baby. I want to fact here with the baby. And give me a little phone, Coco Melon. Oh, give me my pitney. I ain't not feel no energy. Give me. Come me baby.
With energy.
Come,
What
lay
kind of
down.
talk that?
Lay down my baby.
Eh?
Wanna stay too bad.
Pinky, that not necessary right now.
Me see me, mom. Me see one of the pan. Alright, so me a third
Pinky,
wheel
this
too
not
no.
necessary.
No,
what
so me
you
a
do
third
right
wheel. You
now.
see all you. You see big like. You see all you. Me see say. And she they broke you out and a dry away from me. Is that right? Me get the picture. Is that right?
Me tell you say your energy not right. And if you stop there something there, what are we your friend?
What me do?
And your energy, you come like you look up baby feel the energy. And your baby feel the energy, you know?
A baby.
And your mother connect to your baby, so your mother feel it too.
Girl, you know, say other day when me soon done this talk, really feel neglected in a girl. And I know so you feel treat me, Marika. Because guess what, for me, remember say me first I know, you know. And me first I know that the girl had just come. So she could have gone about for her business for her like care. So remember say I'm here there in a house, we sleep together, we put on clothes together, we get up and we eat together. And you want to come neglect me for she, you must be mad. That will never happen.
I don't put nobody over me. If you are my friend, I'm in love with you on equal. You understand? Yes, me know say you first, me know everything. Me a treat you now way?
No, but she a draw you. She a draw you back her. And make me a pre different things, you know. Cause right, I'm not telling you, my head a pre 100 things, you know. My head a pre 100 things.
Thinking nobody not trying to back her. We just, you never wake up early, you know. So we just take a walk. And we come up here so I walk and relax.
So me a come there, you feel her energy, me a tell you the truth. I tell me what to limp on your face, so you feel the energy right
But
now.
you never tell us you don't feel our energy.
So you know, so what you hear me say? What you hear me say when I walk off? You want to put me for third option and that can't work. If I'm me and me, and if I she and she. And if you can't change her ways them, then it not go work. It not go work with me.
But you not put me in no situation to choose, you know. Because I not choose. You understand?
Hello, me chosen. You don't have to choose me, me chosen. Hey, Marika, me and your friend. And I know so you all are with fear. You see me? You understand me? I say so you all are with.
Me not feel
Fear
like we
live.
live now. How we are live? We not live nowhere. You have a picnic sometime, you have to stay home. And make own a picnic up and roll. You understand?
She a give me one vibes where she a tell me yes she a keep him, but deep down me know she no want keep him. All the vibes that all the energy that me I feel from her.
Me not feel sad, but anyway, make that rest.
Mm-hmm.
So while we are friend, while we are sister, we eat out on one pot. You know we do most things together, but we are gonna make it through in our life and everything. But me have something to tell you. Me see one man who me like. Me a walk on the road the other day over where side there, where man them work and everything. Me see one man over there, so me like. But me I get to find out say him one over there and everything and him, you know.
Then that no good girl.
Yeah, but
My.
this man not like me.
Eh?
Supposed the man not like me.
You don't know that. You don't know if you seduce.
And that's why you breathe. No wonder why you breathe faster than anybody else. Hey, that's a juice, man.
Don't worry yourself, my friend. If you ma fear, you ma fear.
Alright. But I want me get some work, I'm like.
Oh, say, come on in already, car right now.
Already,
Like,
cause
so
this
rain how
I'm
far.
hungry. So. I'm going to your picnic.
That me I go do.
That's why I love when we spend time in a house, spend time. That's a happy way. I just love it like we have, man. So Pinky, imagine after you tell me say you go shop, how far you shop the Pinky? Eh? Half hour it take you for you figure and shop. How far you shop the Pinky?
No, girl, when me go I shop right, they say the lock, so me have to go back on one next shop. Yeah, go and talk.
So what things them where you buy there?
Me eat them on the way.
You left me with the picnic all long, you picnic them miserable up on the ball and sitting.
That's something like them pinning with you, you know.
You over there, sir? Eh? Marika? Which problem? Where confusion there? Anytime me I talk in writing, it's like me a the bad person.
What do you mean by that, Tia? You don't know a bad person. Pinky know a bad person. It will we are one. I'm tired to tell you that. What problem?
Principal. She tell me say she go shop. Half hour later, me see it turn on March. I come in
now,
chat to not chat me.
What time for that?
Yeah.
I chat to not chat me.
What the fire for chat now?
So I'm thinking it's so easy.
What you mean by so?
And who the basket fit, let them wear it. Come back, man. I chat too much, man. You come fit it now, you're in a bag of argument. Stop your argument, girl.
No, because you are problem. What is the problem? I just go on the road and I see Pinky and I come back home. What is that? Where jealousy is from? What problem?
Jealousy, you talking right, man.
Why right?
You say you go shop.
I mean, me tell us to go on the road. Pinky gonna shop.
She say she go shop. How long it take for you to shop? 10 to 15 minutes.
And you want to stay picking, so stay picking.
So, girl, let me say baby asleep. When the baby wake, you call me. That's what friends for.
So you can't wake up in
Later, yeah? When the baby wake, you call me. That's what
Liberty
friends
come
for.
through carelessness. You're weird. Next time we there.
Yeah. Hello? Eh. Oh. What is America? Yes, man. The thing you forget all about me, you know. Wait, you want me today? Yeah, man, of course, me can meet you today, man. So what time you say we check you? Eh? Check in what time? Eh? Alright, yeah, man, me can,
A business.
A business. Consume. Alright, yes, alright, cool, yes. Yeah, man.
A business.
Yes, man.
Oh.
Give them much business. How can I what else?
So you don't say if you do.
Yeah, so if you come organize the basis of the work because they want to start on Monday. Yes, baby.
So hurry up and go on now.
That me a think
get
about
up,
for
put
them.
on your hat. Come now.
Hurry up.
Yes, hurry up and
No,
go.
well, I'm a soon go, man. I'm a soon go. But
Listen me, a business.
yeah, but
Early bird get the most worm. So get up and go on. Suppose you don't put they don't see a show up and then call somebody else.
yeah, but
Get up,
no,
man.
but from man, you're gone. Go on, if you can see and talk to you first. We
You
can
see
talk
me?
to you.
Talk to me when you come back.
When you come back,
Yeah, when you come back, me talk. Talk when you come back.
say I gotta work today.
Yeah, me I gotta work, and that's why me come here and
I may say you look different, I look nice, man.
yeah, man, me I gotta work today cause then say they want to give out one promotion, so me I fix up myself today cause me know more than promotion.
Okay. But make sure, so I don't know promotion, but cause you for make me, yeah, miss a long pen or whatever you name, get closer.
I don't know like that.
Make
and
sure you know.
Him not done there get a wife there, you know.
Hello. Me no like bun, you know. Me no deal with bun.
And you have to make sure, say, you not do no out the car, I work here, there now, woman, the pan side.
No, woman on the pan side, I be a
You
man
don't
the
tell
pan.
me that,
Which
woman
one?
the pan side, me a pass place up the beach up, so other day, I see woman a carry bucket and a lift cement.
No, what me I say, don't worry yourself. Just want to know say you secure
Me well
yourself.
secure, no, me well secure. You don't have to worry about me. None at all. And you, me worry about Kaya. They worked from 9 to 5. And then that start, you know.
Alright, you make good.
Yeah, put on this one.
I can't go out there now and get things.
And make sure good news you come back here.
No, most good news, me can't give me bad news.
Alright.
Mm.
So you carry book with you?
Yeah. So, really appreciate you actually calling me. So you call me today? Sleep me asleep, you call me have some work to start out later on that day. Yeah, man. So how are you though?
I'm great.
You great?
Yes.
I can see that. Hot and everything, and so my big question is, I know that I don't know how to say it, but I feel extra special knowing you chose me if you have a date right now. Cause I know a lot of guys would don't want to be in this situation right now. Am I right?
Of course.
Or you have other boyfriend?
No, I don't have no other boyfriend.
You got another boyfriend?
No.
So basically you tell me say you don't choose no other boyfriend, or you just don't want no other boyfriend?
Give me a minute, then my friend will call me.
Friend I call me.
Hello, Pinky. I'm up on the road. I don't want to look a spot right now.
Girl, right now, I want to talk to you. No.
Pinky, talk to Tia. Call Tia and talk to Tia, yeah?
Girl, with the backside, you tell me to talk to Tia for. Are you more to talk? I'm going to talk. Where you do?
I'm over on the beach.
Alright, don't move me up.
Pinky, I'm on a date or something like that.
I don't business if you want to for that date. I could have easily you only. You come no.
Alright, Pinky, later. Sorry about that.
So would that be like, well, let me not say because we don't have that privilege to ask her all these questions yet. You know what I mean?
Alright, anything I say.
But as I said before, I would like to get for be that one for you, a special one. You know what I mean? Because see, there with a special date now. There's the two of us on this wonderful beach, enjoying ourselves. And to me that's very special.
You sure?
Of course, I'm sure.
So
When last you have a boyfriend?
no, let me ask you a question. Since you are the most I talking now. You see me on the road the other day, you come over, you say you like me a second time, whatever. So you have a girlfriend?
I don't have well, it's kind of complicated, because we kind of, have a
Okay, so yes, so you're there. Your friend in need, and yes, so you're there with man.
Pinky want me to, alright, come. We'll go talk, I want to look at Can you give me a minute? What do you face? Why you look shocked? What do you want me to?
no worries, man, just go on. We will continue this one next time. Yeah?
I don't like how you look frightened. You don't know each other?
Funny man too. Come, me need to talk to you. No.
You know him?
No. I don't know, I never see him yet.
You know
I
why?
never heard of him neither. I need
No, I
to
don't
talk
know.
to
I
you
don't
now.
know.
So what you...
No, I'm just saying the date got interrupted, that's all. But
Oh,
that's
just
fine.
that a problem.
Yeah, man.
Okay, alright, give me a minute, yeah?
No, we could continue on next time. Yeah? Because I just say me have some work to start out. Alright?
Alright then, later, yeah?
Alright,
Call
bye-bye.
me.
Yeah, man.
So you walk so.
Oh,
Like you all will come down for you from a caller.
we'll call me for Pinky.
Anyways, you know the man they from. Cause for some reason he feels the familiar. But anyways, that's not my business. You know, so my mother kicked me out.
For what? Where mother kick out of her?
Girl, the woman run me out of the house clean. Show me I thought the right thing, she run me out. Right now, I you me go and check stays, you know, to see if I can put me up for the night.
Yeah. What we can ask her sister? Because you know say, me pay for the house and everything. And the bank people, them a give me a warm time.
Girl,
You can't put up here.
see where woman a run me out, me a run left and me picnic on her and sitting. And you talk about something for go check sister. Girl, you know, say me and the girl like can't mesh already. We can't agree.
Yeah, thank you. Because I throw my friend, but it's rough. Rough around the edge. Because I can't help you. Where am I going to put you?
Well, I can't believe say me and your friend Marika and I say you treat me. If I didn't in my situation, would I help her, you know?
How me I treat her, Pinky? Me tell her the truth.
Because me in need to stay somewhere right now. And you tell me say me can't stay. Your sister me tell her say me always third wheel phone the door.
Then I stay.
What is it? Ask who?
Yeah.
No, you see. At this me at all. Me come to you as a friend, I wanna ask you. Are you first me know? Me never know Tia first. You tell me for ask Tia. Me don't want to go to Tia yard.
But I know some my space, it can't go work out. Me and friend and everything, girl. If me could have helped her, I would have helped her. You know that's already.
You know say no with me.
Pinky, don't say that. I should, Pinky. If me did have something to put up, I would have put up here, you know?
It's alright. It's alright. Me I go on business now.
Just call me if I'm not here.
Go call Tia. Sis.
Oh, yo, where you go? No come in here, no man, me tired. Every day you come over here with the same thing. Why you can't just allow me alone?
Hello, me don't have time for your shenanigans right now. You see, every time mommy and daddy talk, you say me a pick up for them, right?
Yes.
And now the one little time me talk, and me are the problem. And you see that now they come jam in at this, and show me talk now. Hey, me I tell you no man. Me I tell you no girl.
So where you come over here and complain to me about that for?
Because them put me out, where me go now?
Well, you can't come and because me and my man they here. So you can't come and say you have to go find someone else go.
I wish dirty man that. In the day, that dirty man you put over your sister.
Look here, you can't do that. You
I
can't
wish
go
that
try
man
style me man. Where you hide first? You know see girl a style you.
Hello, how are you?
I want my sister now, but you can't come here come style me man girl.
Hello, me want to know where me go now, because I want to look at me talk.
Well, that's not my
They
problem.
want put me out
You
someone
see,
where
years
me go
ago
now.
when you shouldn't talk, you never talk. Why you choose to go talk now? Eh? Why you choose to go talk now?
So, you know, see me talk now, and
my
then put me
fault.
out.
You never talk years ago when you tell me the in the problem, but you want to talk now. Babe, run that girl off me, because I don't have a strength.
It's
Get up and run the
alright.
girl for me now.
Look at now. It's alright, you dirty man stay. You dirty man go on. You see how you? How your face looks like me know you.
You don't know me.
Girl, you
know
can't
me.
know my man.
How your face, you know what?
Go on, baby, you can't know
It's
my man.
alright, don't worry
I
yourself.
think man you want. Go on, my yard. Me I tell her for running girl, you get up on the hide. Where you hide for?
So, babe, are your sister that?
You mean if I'm my sister, where you know her?
No, me no.
So where you hide and ask me for my sister that for what happened?
No, everything good, man. No,
Look, listen to me. Don't play with me now.
No.
Don't play with me. Cause me text it now, you know me lick you down with it, don't ramp with me.
I cuss you, I cuss me.
You hungry?
I'm hungry, man.
Where you want to eat?
Anything you deal with the double.
I saw you hungry.
Correct, man.
Like,
Hello. Yes, you are going. No, brother, I don't want to work. You don't know, see, my brother control all the division there. Yeah, man. Dan Paul come down one day and him give my brother a contract, and my brother control. No, you don't want to work. What you say? I know feel my brother control this, sir. You sure you get your new straight, my youth? And my brother control the whole of this, sir. What? Work him, I work for him. A joke, yeah, me. Right, then no say nothing, no say nothing. Go check it.
How that? How do you? How you look, sir?
Boy, my friend, for you see me, I see you see desperation for me.
Come, spill the beans.
Give me a chance to talk now. Anyways, the people then kick me out of the house.
The people that kick you out of the house, and what that have to do with me?
Just because me I talk the truth, then kick me out. So right now you see me, you see desperation upon me right now, so I look to stay. I can't stay with you.
Stay with me. Pinky, may I go have problem. Problem may I go have, but anyways, we are friends, and that's what friends are for. Right? So how long you want to stay?
Till I get somewhere.
Till I get somewhere.
Yeah,
what,
till
2
me get-
months, 1 month, 3 months?
1 month, I not stay so long in a fair place because I can't agree.
So are you your baby? Or are you alone?
I'm alone.
Oh. Me I gonna make you stay. Zin? But let me tell you this, don't use my things there. My lotion, my cologne and then sitting there. Do not use them. Make sure you have your own bathing
Yellow bright
soap.
yet me use girl things.
What is for me, Jesus? The girl now know if you stay and come back and dash bag for me. I'm not take a pee now.
you know, see, I show you my sister, I'm in a lane in my left hand. Look here, don't play with me. I don't have time for this. Move out of the way, I'm go back, go do what me I do. Load up it.
I have something to talk to you about, girl. Other day, I see you look man in your bed.
Hey, no bother with it. Don't bring me man in this. That's why I mean my family new members them know if me in a relationship or not. No bother you come see me man over there come and go. Me see little man in your bed. My man, not your man. So just move. Move out of here.
The other day when I see a man in your bed,
What me just say?
Yeah, you see, other day I see the little man in the bed. No, we want pass nobody business, you know.
You know, if I sound like stop tell lie. Lie. You can't see your friend or my man. My man they work at the time.
Sis, me see a man
Girl,
with my friend.
If me
see
never
them,
listen
see
me.
them, take me here and see them. And you know, good feel you know that the situation they are there with somebody when I want you sis.
What give you any right to come and accuse my man? And what make you think to me I go believe you? After all that will happen to me and you when time me a pick me and you not step up to me. What you feel to me I go believe you now?
Alright.
Just tell me man your mouth and it done this so. Go ahead, girl.
Anything I can say for this today right now because I have some stuff I start out, so we can maybe check tomorrow. You know what? What are you on me to ask?
Jesus,
All right.
love is a bubbling over.
Alright. Me will call you back in about an hour. Yeah? Alright, cool.
Evelyn,
Babe.
so as me I come here and jump off my phone.
The phone call just done, the conversation done or what?
How you chat to?
You wanna come see? I people me I talk to.
Work.
Work, of course. I don't know about work.
Come to think of it. Me and my sister not talk, you know. And me there work today and my sister pull me out of the training. And I tell me, oh, you have woman.
Are you? She talk about are you woman me have? Me
No,
love.
but I sit down there and try to take me for fool.
No, listen me have friends. Me have people me talk to. Me can't have people me talk to.
Me cuss her off today, you know, and tell her if you stop calling name in her mouth, you know.
That's if you do and defend me. Eh? I mean,
and when me defend you, me look like an idiot on the road.
Look
Me say,
like
if you ramp with me, you think I put out here get this time? I lick done. Ramp with me.
I threaten really come from work, come threaten me day and tell the place what day today.
Then if my sister, me and my remember me and my sister not talking, you know, and she have the audacity if you pull me out of work, you know. And I tell me about how she
your sister chat too much.
Oh, so true.
I was true upon what?
If I never true, you could
no, but why she have, no, last time she come here, she have come say about, she see me face look familiar and all them something there, and then she come tell you all kind of rubbish. And
so
she never defend you, you know, she never defend you when your mother and your father attack on you know. What if you know that? You can't trust her. So she know you don't know what kind of scheme she pull up. It's a Ponzi scheme, babe. Me and my Phatty, we go straight through. You think me can't get the next Phatty like you? Eh? Think about that. So don't bother with the fool. So anybody may talk to, I just friend and me have a conversation with people and that's it. What if a small we can invest some business in or some money? What you talk about? Yeah man, I feel like I want some ital food in idea, you know.
So you can go buy something done to make it like cock soup and so off and then.
But no cock soup. No, not with cock soup.
You just want ital food?
Listen, just not put no cock soup, you know, deal with that, you know, in that part there. If you have put pumpkin soup, you know.
So go and go buy them then, no?
You know, no, you know, just I understand circumstances.
Go and go buy them.
So me have to love you, you know.
Go buy them and come back.
Alright, I'm going to so you couldn't change this thing at China change them better, you know. China give you better rate. I don't China you come from.
Go on to the Cambia, go change it, and after you change it, you buy the something them. I'm tired.
Yeah. So why is that alright, you don't want to do. Wash up and so later we can turn
Go on. I wash me and wash you and turn it on. So you don't know what you talk about. Go on.
Brother, where your man there? Where your dirty man there?
Excuse me, you can't come over here cause time, man. Do not come here cause time.
I'm my brother, when
me say, no come here cause time, man.
Where your man there?
I just my man properly
where
and then I just him properly.
Listen, where your man there? Where there? Yo!
Excuse, I can't do that. I cannot do that.
There?
No, you ain't gotta work with
Me I know you see me a man go work. No, me alone see yourself.
He tell me say you want him at work.
You can't tell us me and him at work.
He say man he friend them at work, so you know one of friend.
Them brother, me and him friend.
Whatever, still friend.
Tell a man say anywhere me buck him, me have something for him. Yes, just tell him say anywhere me see him, me I go give him if he get. Here, make sure.
You can't have nothing for my man.
Alright.
How we are pint up? Come on, how we are pint up thing?
My girl. Better watch it, you know.
Another.
Watch it, you know.
Oh, fire. So you see further, you come over here and call look for you. Hey. Sure.
You subscribe yet?
I'm there for a man in Sudan and how he can't reach the yard. I call him. So I'm answering phone. Hello. Which part you there? Why you not coming from last night? Listen me. No make me pick on the generation I yard. Cause I don't know what kind of work that you do. From last night you not come in and you come tell me about you there for work. What kind of work? From yesterday morning you left go work. And you tell me say you could come in by 5 o'clock up till today you not come in. Listen me. Find the yard there, man. Cause right now my blood a boil.
Hello? Miss Grace?
How that?
You talk about who that come look at who, man. What you dealing?
How you doing? You know you are going?
No, you are going. I'm Miss Grace. What you talk about? I'm Miss Grace to come check, brother.
Miss Grace, good man. Say you a pink in a day no more.
Never hear that. So you talk so like your voice
No,
up, so
cause right now, I not really in a good mood, you know. Pinky I try violate my mother right now, you know. So I send me Pinky from your side, you know. Pinky no live your son no more. I mean, know say you not come to Miss Grace, a Pinky I come to. So nobody can use style. Pinky no there. So you know say you not accept your son no more.
So brother, all of a sudden you just a deal, Mr. Brother. I mean, I don't
know
like
say
nobody else, brother. I mean, the same you to give her money for your bike, you know. Remember that, you know.
My youth,
Same
no say
you,
so,
you know.
man. Remember, you know, are your dues that did that pay, you know.
Dudes!
What you mean? You're in a business with my
Man,
sister.
But hold on. Oh God, brother. Yo, where's that while ago? So I sell your sister?
I not sell me, I sell her. But
So
you
where
know,
do all dudes come from? Where dudes come from in this?
no, but from you talk to one of your family member, them, you know, say, you have to respect your other family member, them too. So you know, say, more you have to do a little transaction
No,
business.
sir, brother, this one alright. Brother, hear me I say. Me I'm moving now.
Yeah, man, because I don't tell you say from Pinky
It's
gone,
alright.
you know you're not for there neither too.
No one of them say our jacket in there, brother. Your sister them brown, you
Bust up
know.
your face.
Your sister them brown, you know, brother. Your jacket, you know. Hey, Phatty. Hey, fatter than them. You don't want to see me, you know. Fatter than them. Fatter than them. What? Yeah, what going?
What your problem? Where do me yard?
Ah, God, me nah no problem, man.
You don't know, say me not like you for a man. Me not like none of you. Me don't know why you know always.
Listen what I say. Remember, you know, I come in a family. Me hear for them side of the story. Me never hear your side.
That don't have nothing to do with
listen,
me.
man, me just get to find out some ways now of your mother.
Oh, it's too late.
You know,
It's
too
a
late.
little too late.
Me just get to find out. But anyway, Pinky, where she there? Come
Nobody can call no Pinky. So me and Pinky and a friend. Me don't know nothing about Pinky.
Yeah, but you not a friend, but you not a sister, you not blood.
Me and Pinky is no sister. I don't have a sister. You understand?
I want to see baby, man.
I don't have no family. I'm an orphan. You understand?
What do you mean you're an orphan?
I don't have nobody but me and my man. Nobody else. So see if you come ask me something about my man, fine. Nothing about Pinky, nothing about family. And furthermore, when time you look at baby they born and he want to take care of you, run gone.
I don't run gone. I hustle, but nothing never really go on.
Oh, so something going now?
Yeah, me I work, you know, man. So that's why I want to take care of you.
Left from here.
Left from here?
One up on a leng, want to go look for Pinky. You don't know, see up a Chinese Pinky work.
But that Chinese they will love they with the work of them.
It doesn't matter, you know, me don't know if I'm there with Pinky, you know, my business, and Pinky, I try making little money to my name Pitney, because you never in the picture.
I feel good enough, because none of you all want to leave me away. Pinky, you and your mother, all want to leave me away.
No, me and my mother and Pinky are the same thing.
Yo, me I go for leng wine.
Go on, left from place. You look like a Chinese to you.
Better than them, I don't feel leave me some man. That's nothing, man. It's all good, man. It's all good. Talking now. Where say I go now?
Where you know say you somebody? Who tell us say you somebody?
You don't have to know that, man. Yo, you see that Chinese boy there? I don't like people disrespect me, you know. Because you come in the shop, come talk to you, or you make man disrespect me, you make Chinese boy, you come disrespect me.
If you disrespect, because you're too enough. Father, what kind of cross is it? That's spinning me right. What kind of cross is this?
No, come find out to me, you there. Where you there now? Where you live now? Because you don't live up a yard again, you know. But just check your brother, you know. You say you're up there, so I know why you tell me say you're up there, you know. Where you there now?
I don't want my friend yard.
A man yard you there. But don't want my friend yard.
What kind of cross is this for me, Father God? Where you come here to watch me? I watch you come here to watch me.
You ever see me come here yet?
Let me tell you something. You never there before fish have, you know. So why you want to come run in now?
I work you now. That me I tell you. I want to take care of my youth now.
I know you want to take care of him.
Yes,
look at you.
Now.
Take a good look for yourself. I know you want to take care of Shav. Look how you look nice. And not even 5,000 you can't send come give me for Shav. You know see your work list.
Work list? I work list I call it. Who went on a man now work? Me need to work. Me work now. Someone want to see you now.
You want to see him?
You notice me never forward him. Me need to work. Me work now.
Who you want to see?
I want to see the baby. Yo.
Me say, if me ever find out who to say, I ask for me there, you know, go nice. Man.
Give baby this, because you're a joke. Give you this. Start out something for you. Which one you say there?
Take back your money. Take it back. Take back your money. Take back that.
Yo, no, I'm not take back the money. I'm not take back the money.
If I not 200,000, me no want.
Wait, me no 200,000. That me have right now. Me just get paid on that me have.
Listen to me. Shav there up on my mother right now.
You know up there. You know up there. Your brother tell me say, you know up there neither. Me go up there, the baby no up there. Where baby there? You need to tell me where baby there. Because if the baby last me, if you know.
You know, so me feel like you're silently mad.
Wait, silently mad.
Your hand mine, you know.
Yo, me not busy what you want to say, no.
What the mother no me?
Can you Chinese boy, disrespect me, no.
If this is like this, 100, 200, 300 times, 1 million times, it's like this, yo.
You make Chinese boy come disrespect me, eh? I want to see me out, man. Matter of fact, yo, me am moving, yo. Listen me, I say, hey. I know some money have, you know. A man here, they live, you know, with me youth,
you know. You don't know, man. You want me to prove it to you?
Prove it.
You want me to prove it? Alright, come on. Can you take this thing to Joe? Come on.
Alright, go on, let me see. Let me see.
Auntie Novi want, man. Hello, Auntie Novi. Auntie Novi from this morning you call me, right? And me I tell you, why me I talk to you so slow? Me I feel talk to you slow for you understand what me I say. I have a visitor in my house Me can't leave my yard with visitor in my house to come up a your yard. And to know if you just understand me and son of man, me have valuable things in my house. You get what me say? So me leaving a visitor here to come up a your yard, that don't make sense. And to know if you cannot wait till the visitor gone, you just have to get somebody else to come up there. Me can't leave me yard right now. And you know, I first you ask me to do something, and me I tell you no, you know. So I must one reason. And you know, yeah. I'm sorry about that, Auntie Novi. I am very sorry, but me just can't come. Me can't go make it. Auntie Novi, what you say, you pay me? Then Auntie Novi, me can never say that earlier. I never know some money involved. So much we are talking about. So Auntie Novi, me not can't come up there for a week, man. No worry yourself, man, Auntie Novi. I got you covered. Me gonna come, man. But guess what me gonna do? Me go have to write one letter, put on the bed. That's me guess feel so me I spend 1 month, but you know I 1 week me I spend. Alright, me I come. Me soon come.
What can I do this now?
Okay, so open the door now. Where you lock up in a with me? Now where you lock up in a with me, man?
Yo.
What is that?
So how are your kitchen there?
My friends are she gone for a month. So I run off the place.
I don't see this. So this handwriting look like a man handwriting, sir.
Where you come here for do? You come here for worry about man? Where
So
really come here
so
for
where
do?
baby there? Where baby? I don't see no baby. Where baby there?
Me never tell you say shop there so with me, you know.
So where
Me tell you
baby?
say I yes so me a stay. Now come my mother baby there.
Yo. So I don't see no picture in there. You know for your picture in there?
Now catch a people yard.
Boy, it's not hot though.
How you do? What you do? Where you take a shirt for? A shop you come here for see her and me.
You come and come see different than a shop.
Hello. No bother with the dirty style, you know.
I mean,
No bother with the dirty style. Because I come down and Mr. Leng walk out embarrass me. Don't do it.
Remember say I'm a baby mother, you know? So me can't do anything. You know me what?
Come go on before me take this and lick in it. Come out of my
Don't bother with
house.
that, man.
Come out of my house.
I'm tired, man. Where you going, sir?
Hey, me don't know what kind of
Come
cross
here,
is this
come here,
from
let me
Father
talk to you.
God. Don't touch me.
Yes,
Take your hand off of me.
You know you're a baby mother, man. You're empty.
You know why me left?
Why?
You really want to know why me left? Say you don't know why me left.
You don't see reason, you know, must can't forgive people. Why me I leave?
Forgive her one, but you come here so now. You don't even have no sympathy for me or nothing at all. You come here so I take off shirt. And me want her shove you want to see.
No, it's fun, man. I tell you something hot, you know, so, yo, you know, so hot, man. Yeah, go on, so.
Imagine, you just left me on my face just like that.
Tell her say, yo, money thing they are beat me, man, and I did kind of guilty one way, yo. You know, so I couldn't take care of him, you know.
And I say, leave him on my face.
And I say leave on my face, but I just, and to your mother again, Miss Grace, a disgrace. You understand? And then now your brother, when my face said did rate me, hate me.
You and Miss Grace love so much. I disgrace you.
Miss
It's a lie.
Miss Grace don't love me, man. Miss Grace don't love me. I tell her that Miss Grace lock doing on my face. And you know too. If you rate a son-in-law, you can't lock doing on your face. Anyway, you know for that. The tattoo is still nice though. Come here.
I can't believe
Come here.
I can't believe you just come back
Stop
in my
it,
life.
man.
You can cause problem.
What are that, man?
So I ask you one question now.
Hmm?
How you plan to stay?
You know, say, look how some about say the roof and leak. Some of know we could have go and brace that, you know.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
No, and if you go back in our house, you leak. And if you go back in our house, you leak.
What's a bumper for me? What's a bumper for me?
Sure, I just say I always come with your style. I mean, I like the style, you
You
know.
know that, man. You know someone love you like that, man. You know that already, man. School, man. I'm kid. You know, say you have to go answer.
Come out of my house, dirty dog. Dead dog, come out of my house. Because I see what you try for dinner. You know say me love you, you know. You want me job back to you. Come out of my house before me bust in.
Dead dog.
Come out of my house. Oh, you mean dead dog? Come out of my house.
No, so you can't stand me so
Janko, come out of my house. Get up. Come out of my house. Go on.
You
Go
really
on.
leave me so be?
Go on now.
Eh?
Come out of my house. Go on. Nonsense.
It's alright. Can't something for you tomorrow, yeah?
Can something for you?
I
You can't bribe me, go bribe a girl them. Go
Alright.
on, where you go?
I know where you know. I can look for you. I look for you, baby, yeah?
I go move from here, so.
We are one family, you know. So, later.
Can't bother with Mr. Leng Leng. Why man, it take so long to give me my money? If me not sweet puppy, who sweet puppy?
Baby! What's up?
No, sir, I have to joke thing this. Why are you?
What do you mean, what I do? And my family live here, sir. How would you drink beer?
Where you go with big bag?
No, I'm not. Hey, somebody ask me them a fool question. My family don't live here, man. Now you have something for there. So I carry KFC here. What me do now?
Where you go?
No, you know, so. Now you say you're there. Now you say my son there.
Also your pass.
Thinking, no bother with that, man. Do me a beg, man. No bother with that.
I want to see where they go. Because I not move from here, so stay at Thunder
Pinky,
Road,
put
I not move.
can in the KFC before you get cold.
I might take it dash away.
Thinking, no bother with that, man.
What kind of cross? What kind of cross? I might take your music and lick you with it. What kind of
Thinking, no
cross
bother
is
with
this
that,
for me,
man.
Father
Sure.
God?
Chill, man. Come on, man. You can't have things them, man. I'm going to my place, man. Cheese and peace. Look at my boy. Oh, let me put it back. Look at my boy. Oh, my. Hey. Eh? No, I'm not going to wake him. You can't put on this. Put on this. You have to wake him. Look at my boy. Hey. I said you're tired. Eh? I said you're tired, boy. Come on, Dada, now. Come on, man. I can't sleep. Me and you over here. I can't sleep for full time now. When you wake up, you see my father. Smart, man. Face kind of warm, man. Like not to get face in put in.
I say expect to leave.
You just a thing too hard. What you just paper, man?
Eh? I said, don't touch me. I say expect to leave. Carry a big dirty bag coming after go moving.
Go eat chicken. Go eat chicken and enjoy yourself.
Eh, imagine.
Watch out. Let me go in the same shot. same color shirt. You walk out like it. No, so we don't forward.
Don't wear Kim.
Yeah.
Don't wear Kim. Cause you never there before, so don't wear Kim. Nonsense.
So.
Imagine my friend take me up and put me in a sun. And you want to go move in. That don't look right, Jay.
No, man. Watch out. Me and your friend can stay there. No big deal. See, when she a change, you go out, that's all.
And where you sleep?
Which part she sleep? Which side of the bed she sleep?
Everywhere. On top of me too. You a joke, I tell you.
Oh! You're lucky.
But that not right. Right now she gone for a month.
Then that not long. You second long problem can be like next room around us by the time come back. Come mama so me down at D&G now. And my virgin have a big contract when say he will give me some plumbing work. So we can build on something around there. Alright man. It's just that if she sleep here so, maybe sleep here.
Side of who?
Eh?
Side of who?
Then you know go sleep here so when baby there and the baby sleep here so.
The whole side of you, man. You sleep here so and the baby sleep side of you and me sleep over here so and she sleep over there so. You're too hard.
Like
you're very disrespectful, you're too hard. You can't come in a woman's place
so
where you want to go sleep on the woman's bed.
Hold on. So why you don't want to sleep here and she sleep here? You're going to make me get serious now. That no look good. Why you don't want to sleep there, sir? And she sleep there, sir. After I said, me would sleep there, sir. You sleep there, sir. And the baby sleep there, sir. Why?
You know, so I've been asked Father God what me doing in my life.
You don't know God nothing, man.
I've been asking what me doing.
So your baby father come back and I want my family.
Right now, me not think you're a baby father. You look like a sperm donor. Come in and know what is for now.
Sperm donor?
What you did that do for
you? You know some boy favor me. Look how my youth favor me. Look how my youth favor me. Look how me just nice see him shot in my youth.
God, I got twist your mouth. Favor who? You?
Yeah, I think it's easy. Come on.
Let go off of my hand. Alright, here what?
Yeah.
I don't want to forget disrespectful to you. Because I'm not like you. Only one night I can stay. That's it.
Yay! That sounds good. One night must. Right? After that, you know, step outside of my bag. But you want to know for that.
I may have done a few things that shouldn't really matter. Don't blame it on the music. Blame it on a terrible dream I had last night.
Oh, so bright. Girl, let me suffer.
What do you mean by what me a lick you suffer?
Girl, not do that. Not do that. No papa can for me. You're bright.
What make your place look so?
Girl.
All the pillow case, come on, for a pillow, a book left, that's how me. Girl, get up, man, get up.
Look for me. Look for me.
Hello.
Must mad. Get up where must mad. I can't come in here deal with. Get up where. Look for me, girl. Look for me right now. Girl, right now, if you tell the truth, me do in a good mood. I'm stressed right out. Here? So just mind how you approach me.
So cheers.
And your place me about just mind how you approach me. Because me just stuck up my bag and just left your place. Anyways, you see how Marika deal with me if you say me and her a friend? Oh, me feel like say me and Marika was so close and she disappoint me like this and not put me up. But I see sometime.
Hello.
Like, you know.
Listen to me now. Me come here talk about my place and you tell me about Marika this, Marika that, and my place me a talk about.
Tia, from your see place look so dirty and ragged, you know, see you stress, Tia, look at me. Right now, me have bigger things to talk to you about, so just come.
Hello.
See the...
And I'm stress and nasty.
Tia, come here, so. Can you see today, me more join church. Just come here, so, me tell you something. Come now. Put over here, like
suppose me they come here with one visit.
I just that with the after, isn't it? So they got 3,000. Come here, so now, my friend, me have seen if you talk to you about very, very important. Come here, so.
Me I talk about my place first. Suppose me they come here with somebody.
Lord God, man, Tia, stop boy place and me soon get up onto the place. Come here, son, me have bigger things to talk about. For you hear me so urge, me have bigger things to talk about. Sit down right there, son. So you don't know, say, for me baby father, come down at my workplace, disrespect me in front of Mr. Leng Leng Wa. And guess what? Him no fi come round me, you know. Because about 1 year now, me not see that man. He never do nothing for shove. He no give shove nothing at all. So me want to know what him a do back here so in my life he come possess me. Instead of me have to spin me roll and I see what kind of cross is this. But me want to say to you now, say, me want to know who tell him say I've done a Mr. Leng Leng want me at work.
So girl, you don't know who tell him. Is either your sister or America. Come
You're
on,
right.
sing.
Yes, you're right. Watch me and them.
Girl, and other thing about your brain for?
Girl, me a bust break the boy can link me. I take off shirt, me a feel say, who you can look for? Me or Shav? I'll bump you and my bust in my face. Me when you do them something, them, you used to them something, they a bust bump in a man's face.
But him bright though.
Come and take off shirt, look how much girl me have to take up one long piece of sin and knock him out, shove him out the door into the outer, don't afraid, talk it out.
He's very
Very
outside.
outside,
He's presumptuous.
Very,
No,
very,
sir.
very, very demure. Girl, I'm very appreciative of how you deal with me. Because you never did have to put me up, you know. You never did have to put me up. But I can't believe as some America do me. But anyways, give me a call because I have to find out who tell me man say I done this or me did this. So give me a call, I call America.
Girl, that's what friends are for.
Yeah.
You hear me tell you? So that's not nothing. That's not nothing, girl. Make a call. Cause this not sound safe. Alright, go and make a phone call. Me I use the bathroom.
Yeah. Hello? America? Yeah, me come now, me don't got tea. Me have something to tell you. Alright. Jamaican.
Thank you.
Oh, come in. The door open.
You want to see me?
Mm-hmm.
I want some make I go and some.
Me not go nowhere. You can't sit down, man.
You are most like a hypocrite. So make you offer and puff like Bumford, so what do you?
Alright. Alright. Me no want to say are you or Alia. Tell me man say chop me even know me say me man for no me man. Tell me baby father say me I walk down a Mr. Leng Leng Wa. I'll give him direction. Say the man come down they go embarrass me right now. Me feel like I'm ball. The man come go
Yeah.
me not say are you or my sister. But me a ask you say if you tell me baby father say me walk down a Mr. Leng Leng Wa.
So that's a really comfortable now. If you ask me if I'm me tell a baby father, I'm not tell you say baby father.
So me a ask you
So
say
what happened to him, Pam, sucker?
if you tell him.
Girl, me not say baby father. I'm not tell a baby father no. Don't mix me. Me and your friend and mother never do that. I mean, no say boy don't give it no.
Never weekend say no. Can you see how Tia take me up and put me up in a so and you as my friend no care me and say you put me up. Eh?
When me go put you?
What you mean by where you fi put me? You mad? You mad? You're crazy girl. You're crazy. You're crazy. You're mad. Hey girl. Hey girl. Hey girl. Hey
girl. Hey, girl. Come on for me now. How you look, sir?
How? How?
I don't know, I just have one look by your face, like,
And I expect my face to look so after what happened.
girl. Like, seriously? No, like, seriously, Marika? So, where the vex with me now?
I'm not vexed with you or not in it here. But I just feel a way if you know I say it will away a friend, right? And Pinky come to me and Pinky say, Marika, you know someone to stay. And I say, Pinky, you know say you can't come to my yard because it bank everything I got through the bank and something. You know say me not have no way. And I like say me there yard when you can come there. You understand a road me must stay upon and you know that too. And the girl begs with me and want to fight me just because of that. You know must expect me gonna feel away. And you come in there with you and I grab up and sitting.
I part me a try part now. And I grab me a grab up. Me just a try part you know. But you know so deep in the fight that you don't realize that me just a part now. Listen to me now. You think me no feel hurt? You think me no feel hurt? That's Pinky. When me call my friend, you know, me must say me and her spirit no mesh. You know. Alright, me give her a chance and me let her in a me little tabernacle. Right? Me 1 week me go to find her. And this girl care man.
Care what? What you say? I must prank you, prank me. Where come already?
Listen to me. The girl care man. Come, if you ever see she care man and she can ever keep a good place, you know. Cause the place when we come back, you know, want to see all the place and tidy and stay in America.
I lie.
And on top of that, you know, want to see the sheet or the little white sitting, you know me at all. Palmy sheet. Right now I done with Pinky.
Me? Not going good.
Yeah. Me did a warn you, but you did a listen. You never did a take heed. You're lucky.
You know, say because I kind of bad mind to make all of this happen.
Oh, bad mind. If me did bad mind, I would make she come in my house.
Oh, that's true.
So
but me friend me know say you put Pinky in a fear house and Pinky can't agree.
Me just see the help out a situation. The girl no live no way. I don't understand. If I didn't, you would have do the same for you.
I know. Well, that's what friends are for anyway. So, where should they know?
She gotta work.
I gotta work anytime I feel like.
You gotta work anytime you feel like. Then wait there. Pop to her give me. So, you gotta work anytime you feel like. And what cause that? You and the boss in some dealings or something?
No, sir, me and the boss in nothing. You don't know. Sometimes, you don't know. The boss like me like that, you know? And can reason with me and something, so I just do what I want to do. Take advantage of things. That's what we Jamaicans do.
You know if you do it though.
I can't tell
you
you
learn to appreciate the little work. Look how long you this song here.
Listen, me appreciate the work if me never appreciate him would have left you. But me appreciate the work.
Alright. Calm down. Me ain't have nothing.
Good.
Anyways, where you just about today?
You know what I say? I want guy when me meet other day. Me meet him up on the road. Me did meet him other day like we go for one look at date and something. And he see him Pinky. Call me phone. I make him an a way. I would just meet up, you know.
Oh, cross. Yeah, me tell you say that little girl they are crossy.
And how you know find weird? Oh, I'm gonna work. Master God.
Who cares? Me just tired of that little girl. Me did tell you, you know. I you suggested to go if you ask me if you put her up, you know. You want next one too, you know.
No want she go somewhere. Me not have nowhere can put her. You are next option. So what you want me to do?
Me say from me put up with girl, they come like a crisis in my life. I don't understand that.
I understand. Yeah, so you know good.
And me will never forgive her if he can man come in my house
But she
from
out
my
her.
bed. When me buy, you know, and me a pinky buy, you know, and me buy, you know.
She out of this so it rough.
Right
Wanna kick
now.
him out the same time as me here. I'm sitting there out than this. Anyway, me have to go live, you know. I can't turn over here so all day. And see man a text me on WhatsApp day. So I must meet him now. So guess what?
Try make sure you call me.
I'll call her later.
Man. Yeah, get fat and run up door.
Thank you. Hello? How much was it? You know, so I up on my chill spot and I think my introduce you to up here because up here is so cool and nice. Yeah, hold on, wait.
Marika have man. No, sir, sign this. Marika plan and me not have no man. You know, kind of thing. No, sir. Be hide and seek business cause I know me don't know about that the man day.
What a dirty girl. Hello? Yeah. Just come straight up on the road. Yeah, then I take a right turn and come straight up on the hill. You see me? Alright.
Hey, Magwan, you can get the hug. Oh my goodness. It's so special I get the hug. So this is the place?
Yeah. I have a vibes, I have a buzz, you know?
Yes, no. What's long? Wow, that feel good. Trust me, you see, since me I talk like reason, I feel one different kind of sensation in my head. Sometimes I wonder if I'm mad, me I'm mad or what. Like, if you try to control my brain, you know what I mean? But you never like how which day me I talk and a girl will just come face you.
Pinky.
Mm.
I'm a friend, I'm not wanna.
Are you a good friend like that?
No. Not anymore because we fight.
No. You mean fight?
Because me tell her so I have nowhere to put her. So she begs about that. I want to fight me, so I fight her.
The song got tired, but me just don't like her energy. I'm not rate her like that and so forth. You know what I mean? Because you know them time you have to work with energy with people. You know?
I understand.
So are you different though?
I'm great.
Apart from all the mishap stuff, obviously. You know what I mean? But I appreciate the fact that you spend the time to come with me chill and you camp here, chill spot. What a place nice! You're right, you know, cool and nice. Breeze just take your time and blow.
Anyway, so we did a talk other day and you say a relationship complicated, so I understand where did that talk about.
Why are you stressed about that? You don't have to stress about that. That's not something important. Right now we need to just get to know each other, me and you. You talk about all the elements that are more important. It's like you mix Milo tea and you go over there to go chop wood. That don't make no sense. You know what I mean? So we have to just decide what we are doing. Because we're not going to jump in your life and go on like more and say, you have a man, you have nobody to look you, this and that because you're beautiful. A lot of guys are going to say all these nice things and blow whistle and something there. Not true. Same thing with me. A lot of girls are going to do the same thing, but at the end of the day, you know, if you show me, so you're my number one, me go, you know what I mean? Cut off all ties. That's why I say complicated, cause you know something that go on where you know complicated, but nothing for you to worry about.
You sure?
You mean I'm sure.
Make sure. So, what are your plans for the day? Wow.
I don't know, you can't show me where you live or too fast. Alright, no. What you can do is just understand say this is relationship. This is a relationship we're gonna start. You understand me I say? Alright, you wanna start a relationship? That's the first question I should ask you.
Yes.
Yes? Alright, so because take make it take it from there then. You know what I mean? And just enjoy the moment and so forth. And appreciate this vibe. Energy me work, you know. My phone not ring. One second here. Yeah, what go on? Hey, you're back in that place. Okay, what go on? Yeah, man, respect, man. Alright. So basically then, they're upon a nice. But they are work right now. But it basically how you want to chat to me now? Alright. I'll just meet me down close to 4 yards, man. Yeah, man. Alright? And we can hold a reason. Come have some work for doing that day. Yeah, man. Cool. Respect. Baby, tell somebody. Nobody make me business. Sometimes people want to just know what go on, they can't chat what go on, and people chat too much, and people energy will break down for a thing. You know, that's how the real life situation go. You mean understand here? So what? Nobody set a face like that, man. If me is serious, me is serious. Alright? So nobody look for me like me, you know, I mean, as I say, I'm going to explain it right beside me. I couldn't never take the card, you know. Not true? I couldn't tell you say somebody else, not true? So yeah, that me I talk about. But here I go, my brethren, you just come down and I'm saying what a reason. You know what I mean? I'm not say me a cut with date. I'm just say.
We never can have we never can meet up and spend quality time together.
You know why?
We always have to cut it short.
But you know why?
Why?
When it start good, it start good. Nothing good not come easy, you know. So if me and you just there so a reason and certain things just go on so smooth, you not gonna want it. You know what I mean?
Well, alright.
Imagine people put on money on the ground and walk left it. You know I say people put on money on the ground. It's important, not true? Yeah. So what's important, people go, you know, prize up here and all them something. So I'm glad for this moment with you. You know what I mean? Feel so special. Whoa. Alright. I definitely want to spend some quality time. So I'm link up my version and things. So where you going now?
I don't know. I go.
You go home?
I go up on the road.
Call me and reach you. Here and we talk.
Yeah.
I just no. Text me first and then you call him. That's one alright?
Alright, anything.
Alright, so later then. Yeah? Well, go on, bro.
We are here,
I'm there, man.
I'm trying to see you what.
Brother, for your show, me just have to just, you know, respond to your call.
I'm there back in the place, brother, man.
Good to see you, brother, man. I tell you.
You can't turn them place, brother.
I tell you, man.
Never see a man do something in one place, man.
Brother, I say you go. The system is the system, because things start look up for me too, you know, because I have some little thing I do. But, you working now?
Yeah, I work at D&G now.
D&G?
Yeah,
see, oh, you're good then. You're good then, man. Things I look up.
Money I make now.
You know what I mean? Back in the place.
I
real talk, brother.
go on now, man, father, man. Right now, that's why I say. And my baby mother, you know, I try to link up back with her and things, but can set up one way now.
Okay. Figure say you have a youth for three, you know.
Yeah, man, I say, man, I take care of my youth, man.
I mean, man.
Man, I never left for youth out, you know.
Man.
Yeah, man.
That's the way to go, brother.
Never.
I see him to me right now, I try to look to you, because you know, I'm tired of them, man, I say, I'm gelding and them something.
Look
You
to
know what I
youth.
mean? Yeah, man, 2 youth, man. One youth and a youth, you know. One pitney and a pitney, you know. You have a pitney, and him have to go for stranger yard and neighbor yard, go ramp. Them things are nice, brother. You have one pitney.
Yo, a long time, I gelding still, if you get, you know, still.
Real talk, man, but you don't bother the gelding talks. You know, something like them talk from school days, man. What I'm telling you, man.
But you know what I say? Why? As a youth, I don't know when I really know what people to chat to, you know.
A real talk.
The thing about me one way, brother, because I can't see youth, I know that I bother, but you see it bother me, bro. Right now, come and make a mistake.
So make you can't see you. You understand?
Hold on, I tell you, say, well, I can't see youth. Be a mother go on a weird bridging and you see it, be a vibes and something, man. That's me I feel say, you better man deal with your sister.
Oh, your sister?
Sister give me a better vibe. Yeah, sister, you see me?
Sometimes, alright. You see, sometimes I say, you know, like you meet a girl and then you go home to the family and meet her sister, you feel like, say, boy, I sister you for David.
Your sister deal me better, man.
You deal with the sister then, brother?
Adapt me for the, you know.
Yeah, man, just take your time and work your way in.
Adapt me for the, you know.
Yeah, man.
No, but I started already, you know.
You started?
Started already, man. But I saw you go, but I have to calm. And make sure.
Say a reason we have to know, sir.
Make sure that she up to it first.
Yeah, you have to make sure.
Adapt me the fun, man. But, so, me come over now.
I say me there, you know, like me have some like a contract thing. I tell you before, if the D&G thing now work out, you can't come link me, brother, because I have one thing on me I run. I try to get me my brother to come deal with some things.
What you say? What you say want to do?
We deal with, it's a contract for deal with one house and all. And
build up house and
build up one play, one community.
Brother, I'm here to you, know, brother.
Yeah, me say, let me tell you, because we need people we can trust, brother.
We can build steel bridge and them things, brother. That's it. Yeah.
You remember Dan Poe?
Dan Pong.
Dan Poe. Dan Poe back in the, he used to run a freeway lane there, so. Drive all kind of things and, you know.
Oh, Mr. Stacy, brother.
Yeah, man, him same man, brother.
Oh, yeah, me know him, man.
Dan Poe. It's like, I him know your brother, man, life and things that look up a way where he forward back now and say, want to help the community, building the community and, you know, for the people and rate. I mean, I said, that sound good. And he want to give some serious money. So I said to myself, say, all right, what you do with him? Say, yo, you want people who can trust, who can have certain things and, you know, and put it in control. Because he don't really like Philip on the scene. And he's a brother what?
You know me already.
Exactly.
You know me already. Because you see what the Angia now, make a money still, but see over time thing, I have to really do to make money.
Exactly.
So sometimes I don't know that I want some family time.
Ah,
I don't know
exactly.
If, you know, my mother to go back. I don't know. So how you working was the phone thing set?
Brother, we work as, you know, because we a contract business with you, you know. So we are set it for them. We go home to people, we can come back and, you know,
every evening.
Every evening, brother. You understand? And as I say, he's a brains youth.
Yeah,
you're smart, so you know how to make people
let me tell you something. Steel work, carpenter work, plumbing work, tiling work, but everything me do.
Yeah, me know that, but which one is major? Me know,
which one is major?
Yeah, because you know, you see, last time I trust somebody who can do that, everything, everything get jokes. Because in brain, you know, focus on one and all them something there. You understand me? I say, tile it, mash up and, you know what I mean? Yeah, things now flush. Man come on and say load and tile it and, you know.
You don't understand the work, man.
Yeah, tell you, brother, so, which one is major, you know?
Which one is major, you know? You know, somebody say electrician.
Electrician. Current.
All
right, make it current.
Current.
All right. It was a current the last part, though.
Yeah, man.
And the first part.
No,
what's that? You can lay the pipe them, and then,
someone will get another area.
No, right, I know. So,
but hold on. Yeah. You know, say I forget. Sometimes I remember. A plumbing. Yeah. A plumbing, man. A plumbing major, man. You just have me, man. Sometimes, boy, I remember.
All right, don't worry yourself, man. When that time comes, we short. Yo, where's you touch the road?
You may touch the road, man.
All right.
So what you do?
Same number you have?
Same number, man.
Same, all right.
Come in, man.
Yo. Confirm, because I don't want you to go left. And you go say, right.
Yeah, man.
Just punch it back in. Because I say me there, I'm a brother, my way to come link me because I'm talk some madness.
It's right thing, man. Come in, man.
Hold on now. Forget to the party. My brother now, the reason I need somebody now, because him now feel say, me a scam him. Me tell him about the
Ah,
work
we don't
and
know
say,
you're no scammer.
exactly.
And the whole we are play football in the community and
Brother,
brother.
him say me a scam. He
Them
come
boy, brother,
he
yo.
come on me woman, he come on me yard and I come check
Your
me
one brother.
my one brother and I butt up my one and sitting. All I use
That's-
paintbrush off a woman like you want joke in the eye.
That's why they say family no in your dung pal, you know, go down.
Brother, me I tell you, me
But
wanna
yo,
use the broom and whap him and whap off him.
Yo, listen me I say no man, but hear me I say. Me a moving up, brother. Because I like when I deal with it. But remember, you know.
Up, brother.
Plumbing, me major, you know.
Plumbing.
I'm do steel work, capital work, every...
Alright, yeah man.
You know where you go?
Yeah man.
Me not have to say Phatty. Just link me up.
Yeah man.
So, I'm going to touch the road now. That's the man. You don't go a road now, because I don't want to work to go mash up and stuff. Yeah, when you come, me collect it, because... Alright, and... Hold on, fatter than them. Look here now. Give me a second, please. Do me a beggar. Do me a beggar. Me not really...
with me?
Look here now. I want to apologize. Because you see how me that treat you. I'm sorry. I realize now that you are the real one. Can you see how I'm to the dog? Go on, man. That's why I just have fun of time a while ago. But look, hear me I say. I just realize that you are one of the real one. Them. You see to how your mother-in-law deal with me. And to how your sister deal with me. I know say you don't deal with me, so.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Do I have a mother? Do I have a sister?
Boy, that's true.
Exactly.
You want them?
Me look like me hungry?
No,
you think
but...
me a sweet girl?
Me know. Look here, but I just tell you, say you're the real one. So anything I do for you.
But I don't want nothing. Anything me want, me ask my man or me do it myself. You understand?
So you just tell me about your man every second. I don't ask about him. Are you
I
in the country
show
police?
you, say I don't need to rely on anyone else but me, my man, yes. And Father God, nobody else. You understand?
Alright. So you couldn't talk to your sister from see baby?
Yeah.
Please. I'm sorry about
You know, the last time me check, me tell her we spot she work, right? Why you not go on our workplace?
I work, man, but the China boy around me.
Oh, sir, your customer you make Chinese run you. You don't understand? You go in there, go buy something, you must see her. And why you not afraid to spend money?
I don't really want to go up down on a style, like, I just want to see you. So I go in there and ask the cashier if I can see her. And the cashier call the Chinaman instead, and the Chinaman run me.
Oh, look, you know my problem that. Where you tap me for? That you tap me for?
What than them, I beg you, do man, help me out man. Because I don't really want to get myself in trouble. Because the Chinese come anger me like say, yo, man, I know nobody. And I don't really want to, I don't want to do your sister now. Because I need to see me youth now. I don't want to get myself in a problem fatter than them. Do me a bit, help me out man, do.
Alright, listen
I want
to
to
me.
see youth man.
Listen to me.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
I'm not going to see my sister and talk to my sister. Understand?
Mm.
You say if my sister come to me or come over my yard one day because she ever they come on my yard, I will tell this girl to come on my yard, she ever they come on my yard. So she say come there, so we suggest something. Might be me suggest something to her about it.
Oh.
Me not make no promises if I don't like no now. You understand?
Well, fatter than them, I tell you, say you're best the one, you know, you're best. Yo.
It's too late. Look come on, I'm done with this.
Later, here.
Hello.
Ah, Jesus.
Yeah, Lord Jesus. Why you tell me baby father say I don't have Mr. Ling Ling want me at work?
So when me dey work, no ling wa.
Why you tell him?
Your baby father come and me doorway in the morning, come a torment me soul. And you won't leave, so me have to tell him where you work. I want a problem.
Me and your friend?
No, you pick nipper.
Me and your friend?
Alright, if me
which
and
nipper? Where?
If me and your friend, why you pick nipper I do on me yard?
You should have run him, you should have dashed dirty water upon him. I don't care. Don't tell him what me there.
You want your pick nipper go start out phone a little.
Don't tell him what me there too out of the seas. You make me go war off the girl like call the girl on me yard and war him off.
Which girl?
In America.
So America have to do with me.
America, your man there.
Same thing
My
again.
friend and your man there.
Listen me.
Say have something to do with you.
Listen me. this America business, nah, nothing to do with me. And whether I want to take my man or not, when me go yard, me deal with my man. You understand? So
You
me
still
know
a say
if I
a man.
lie.
You still say a man can come
Tell
like
me
yam
what?
grow in your face.
Some more. So Lande, you pick him for a breed, how much ears and gone.
No yam no in my face.
If you-
Because me I run him like a dog. You
If
don't run
you
for
never
man.
yam head, you would breed in a first
Girl,
place.
I just want him to tell you, say, keep my name from out your mouth.
I know
And
that.
the next time I
I know
call back
that.
my name to my baby father,
I know that.
me and you gonna have you. Girl, bye. Bye, girl.
What happened?
And where you come from?
What kind of question that?
Me need to know where you come from, because me do so much things.
Listen me. You know, reach so far. You don't have that authorization there if you ask me them the question there. Me a big woman. Yes, me.
So we can't come in with attitude now. What you feel like today? If you feel like a tonight a problem night again?
Listen me now, man. Right now, my brain is clouded right now. You see me? My brain clouded. So nobody come put. Not listen me, man. So you don't have them. You don't have no right to come and ask me them question there. You know? None at all. No ask me nothing right now because me dey hear some things where me can't put one and one together and make two. Instead of me get two, me I get four. You understand?
So what you talking about now?
Me ask you a question the other day, you know. And you tell me no, you know.
And what?
And now everywhere me go, people look for me and I laugh, you know. And then my sister come to me with the same argument again. Now I don't know if I trust you or if I trust my sister, because my sister not tell such a big lie.
Me tell you something, man. You and your sister need to get back to which partner when there. Uno never attack, uno never agree, because I don't know this girl from me attack.
That's the point.
And when stay in one zone where it was happy for me and happy for you, you realize that, hold on. You realize that since your sister come about, then we have a problem. Why you make your sister draw you out?
That's not my point. The point is, me and my sister not on a good level, right? Why my sister gonna tell me such a big lie if you try to get me and you?
Because she want to mash up your life and your sister not now going for she.
Me even, what she tell me say girl name? She tell me say you and this girl name. She even got to extend and tell me say I want her friend. I mean, know my sister loyal to her friend, and my sister not gonna tell such a big lie to her friend, from her friend them. So me, you need to get down to this tonight, else through me door.
Through which door you talking about?
This a door, yeah.
Why you keep on going like say every time me talk and have an argument at a time people come out? Eh?
Listen to me.
Why you keep on do that?
Listen to me, public.
Me feel listen to you.
Listen, me loyal to you, you know. But it seems like you're not loyal.
Me loyal to you.
Loyal where? I mean, I hear every time I go on the road, I see these people. They look for me and I laugh like say, yeah, you have me a road as some butterfoot girl.
Me have you a road, but I'm gonna tell you this. Phatty, me I come from far. It's always me and you apart. But you don't realize say you start get so busy since you start work on a ling long.
Oh, so true. Me start work done there.
Listen what me I say.
Listen me,
that cause us to not have it together. You know, that together is what we used to have. We don't have it no more.
Oh,
but that not say. Me as I said to you, say you need to look on this.
No, so true we don't have that togetherness anymore. You're gone out the door, through my door. You see, since you're gone out of the relationship, you go through my door. Tonight.
I go through no door.
Listen me, no matter me get up, you know. Because you know if me get up, you know, I go pretty. So me I tell you the final time through my door. Through my door, me done. Over. Finish. Just go through me door, no man, it done, man.
I say you take it. Alright, watch where I go on.
Where I go on?
Yeah,
I shouldn't take back then. I mean, by then, slippers there, you know. Watch ya.
I say you want it? Give me back my sheet.
No,
Give me back my
man,
sheet.
watch ya.
Give me back my sheet.
One with it.
And that.
Go along with it.
Me now come back here, sir.
Me can't buy you should have.
Me now come back in your place. That me I tell you.
You have to come back. Go along with it. If you say me can't buy shit.
You subscribe yet?